Hey, what's up, Shiba Inu coin holder? What's going on? This time the Shiba Inu condition is very critical, but don't worry, my friend. I have also very good news is for all of you now. So this time, my friend, you can see minus 0.55% they were fails down, but this is only if we check out, my friend, in the last 3 days. So 9.12% they will get a profit. So just in only, my friends, if they were fails down 1%, so don't worry, my friend. Absolutely, it's temporary fails. After a short fails, they will take a very huge jump because just in only, for example, this jump, as you can see after this short jump, they will take a very huge jump. So absolutely they will completely on the profit. You can see this is the resistance line of these two jump. So definitely they will hit this huge target. So therefore I will tell you to, if they were fails down for a short time, so absolutely after a short fails they will take a very huge jump. So therefore this is the circulation, my friends. To sometime they were fails down, sometime they will moving upward, but this does not mean to you are starting selling. A lot of holders are doing very huge mistake, my friends. When they were starting fails down, so definitely they are decide to, they are completely in the lost, we will need to sell out, we will need to sell out, but remember to, they are very badly lost. So therefore I will inform you to kindly don't see the short fails and don't starting selling. All right, my brothers. So why they were fails down in this time, my friend, in the last 24 hours? There is a two reasons, my friend. The first reason was that to short-term investors are starting selling, and therefore, my friends, they were fails down. And my friend, the second reason was that, my friends, too, this time the Shiba Inu price will be increasing, but after a fails, absolutely every coin will, after a fails, every coin will dumps down, and after a dump, every coin will pumps up. So I hope, my friends, they will more and more pumps up, but kindly holders, you will need to hold down and wait for the end of this month. See you next time. Allah Hafiz. Take care.